learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. All right, this month, how about something so practical? Because we do this not just once, twice, sometimes 3 or 4 times a day. 我们一天要做一件事情，要可能做到3、4次，是什么？
吃。
你知道哦，不是拉哦，
是吃就是福。
That's right, eating. So when you get hungry, you're going to ask, what is there to eat? Where do you want to go eat? So this month, we're teaching you how to say and ask, are you hungry?
胃肚鸡毛。
胃肚鸡毛，肚子饿了吗？一讲一讲我就饿了。
对，大家一直吞口水。
Alice， 最近呢，我迷上了客家菜包啊，好好吃啊，好好吃啊。
懂好吃。
懂好吃啊。All right, let's teach you how to ask, are you hungry? And then I want to introduce to you guys the Hakka veggie bun. OK, 再讲一次，肚子饿了吗？
胃肚鸡毛。
胃肚鸡毛。然后呢，我的回答当然就是我很饿，好想吃菜包。
爱懂肚鸡。
爱懂肚鸡。
想吃菜包。
想吃菜包。想吃菜包。菜包。
菜包。
好吃啊 Hakka 菜包 That is the Hakka veggie bun. It's very delicious. I really want one right now. 所以呢，我现在去买回来，大家一起吃好不好
？OK， 那我教你海陆腔的菜包。
好，
菜包。
菜包万一跟海陆腔的客家人买的时候要讲菜包。
看到菜了，我就要包起来了。
真的，
吃菜包。
Different dialect for the veggie bun. 我现在去买回来吃。How do you say that? Let's go buy and have some.
爱呀哈。
爱呀哈。
来去买转来吃。
来去买转来吃。
爱呀哈，来去买转来吃。
就是我现在去买回来吃了，对不对？然后分享给大家啦。不能自私自己一个人吃哦。
对，我等你赶快去买。
That's how you say, I'm going to go buy it, come back and enjoy it together with everyone. How's that, okay? All right, let's review some of these terms that we taught you. 很饿, that means very hungry.
懂肚鸡.
懂肚鸡.
很
饿, 会咕噜咕噜叫了。Then have some veggie buns, 也就是菜包。
菜包。
菜包买回来吃呢？
买转来吃。
买转来吃。Okay, that means buy it back and have it and eat it. And it's all about 肚子饿了吗 Are you hungry?
胃肚鸡毛。
胃肚鸡毛。不要再咕噜咕噜叫了，赶快去吃饱肚子了。That's today's Practical Hakka.
什么太干？
汉字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.